Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Still not respecting you with that. And I'm not respecting you, clearly. Just know it. Shh, it's our little secret for the ones of you who are watching my intro, really. And not the ones of you who are just skipping for the reaction part and who are leaving and not hearing my review. And after that, the same persons are commenting stuff like, you didn't understand that, you missed it, and all of that. Even if during the intro and the review, I'm explaining to you why I reacted like that, what I understood, the fact that in fact I understood more but I couldn't say it during the episode, you know, because I don't want to talk too much. I'm already talking a lot, I don't want to talk too much. Still, a lot of persons are like, you didn't put that part. Yes, I put it, but I had to cut it for YouTube because of the fair use rules. Go on my Patreon. You didn't understand that? Yes, I understood, but you don't want for me to make a break of 3 minutes in the middle of the episode to explain it. That's why I'm keeping it for the review. Hey, trolls! I'm doing my job. Do yours and stop annoying me like that. I didn't say I. With this session of binge watching, when I'm watching 4 episodes during the day, really I'm spending all of the day with you. I'm forgetting at the beginning of each video, you know, to say you I and all of that. I have the impression that I'm with you all of the time, you know, I don't need to tell you I at the beginning of each video, but I need to do it. Hello! Hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch The Witcher Season 2, Episode 8. For the French persons, you know what was that sound? A game, a TV game, so you can't know. That's it. That's the final episode of that season 2. That season 2 that we are expecting since so long, that we finally had. That's it, we're gonna finish it together. Yes, I'm still sick. Until the end, I had that weird voice, which is not my real voice. Go watch my other videos, please, to know that I'm not like that usually. You can watch my reactions to, I don't know, if you love The Witcher, maybe to The Wheel of Time, to Shadow and Bone, to, you know, to shows like that about new universe. I made a playlist for each one of them, so go check the playlist that I made on my channel for that. Maybe we're watching the same shows, in fact, not just The Witcher. So, final episode. What can happen during this episode? You know, I began the last one telling you that I had hope for Yennefer to take the good decision, to not accept finally that offer that that demon was offering her. I'm gonna give you your power back if you're taking Ciri, stealing Ciri, and if you're taking her to Sintra. You didn't really take Ciri, I mean, you were forced to escape during that situation, you were not the one to open that portal. You and Ciri decided to go back to Sintra. Okay, it was going with the plan, but at each step of that thing, you know, Yennefer, you wanted to help Ciri, to support Ciri, to show her that she can use her magic, she can do things good, that she doesn't have to be afraid of what she can do. So I would not be so quick, you know, to judge Yennefer for what she did, but I'm not satisfied, you know, by the end of that narrative arc, the fact that they are not doing it, you know, Yennefer is not doing it, not because she's deciding to not do it, but because Ciri learned the truth, was disappointed, felt betrayed, and she didn't trust Yennefer anymore. She felt regret, Yennefer, and she said to Ciri, let's go, not to Sintra, like that's it, I regret what I've done, but it's too late for Ciri, and it's a little too late also for you, Yennefer, and also for Geralt, it's too late for you to choose that. Geralt is intervening, he's saving them, he wants to kill that demon with Yennefer, but it's too late. Yennefer, she's not gonna have her power back. Fringilla, I don't know what is gonna happen to her, you know, if the demon is gonna take back what she gave her. I think that mostly she's not gonna help her anymore. But she took back the baby that she gave to Francesca. She didn't take it back, like she didn't intervene for you to keep your baby, because in fact she needed you to be that desperate losing your baby. That baby was representing so much hope for this family, for Francesca, for this family, but also for an entire country, you know. I don't want to name them a country because they don't have a country anymore. For all of these people, for all of the earths, in fact, that this demon fed herself, you know, with all of them being so desperate, being such in a pain. Okay, because of that, she escaped from that hut, but now she's into Ciri. And again, at the beginning of the last intro, I was like, that's it, I have hope for Ciri. I can't see any reason why she would switch Ciri. That kid, she has a big heart, she's only trying to do the right stuff, she's afraid of doing the bad stuff, so at the end she's gonna take the good decision, I'm sure of it. But during the last episode, she was betrayed by Yennefer. Geralt didn't want her to follow him, so okay, she trusts him and all, but she's all alone by herself with that demon inside of her, with all of what she already lived. Already she thought that she could come back home, she could have her revenge and all. That girl, you took everything from her to her. Now I'm not so sure that she's not gonna take a bad decision, even more with that demon inside of her. And that demon, she's serving a purpose, like since the beginning she wants the elves to be with Fringilla, you know, with that side. Now you know that that baby was killed, the elves, they're gonna fight, I think, for you. And you wanted that war to happen and to have the elves on that side. Yes, for me that demon is serving the story, a part of the story for someone, for the one who made that curse, you know, like my revenge is gonna be born, like I'm gonna have my revenge again, my warrior. And it's Ciri, the daughter of chaos, who opened the monolith, the monsters are coming from there. For me, her destiny, if it's about that curse and all, like what she's supposed to do if she's choosing the bad side, it's to be the queen of the monsters, almost, like she's gonna guide them, she's gonna join them. She has the blood of an elder, she can use magic. She was that close to be a witcher. I'm not sure that it could have helped, you know, her to be a witcher. In addition of all of what she's already capable of. I really don't know. You know, during all of the season, I believed into Ciri so much, and the fact that Geralt supported her so much, it was so good, you know, that dad and daughter relationship, that it, now I'm seeing that it's not a mental one. That was so cool. And I was with him, you know, supporting Ciri. Him is still supporting her. Me, you're making me doubt now. We'll see. And we'll see also what we're gonna have, you know, with the political situations into that universe. During all of the season, they were discussing, they were trying to have allies, they were trying to understand stuff, to know stuff. It was really about intels, spies and all. I think that we're gonna need to have a big thing happening right there, and the fact that this baby died during the last season, it's gonna help with that. Okay, so let's go for this final episode of the season 2. Remember that if you want to have my Patreon on which you can have the episodes earlier, they already had the 8 episodes, you know, sooner than you, with 4 episodes of advance each time, so really, they already have everything with an extended or for action part. It's the best way to support me if you spent a good journey, you know, with this season 2, watching my reaction videos about the season 2. Maybe you can want to join me for that. And if you don't worry, you can subscribe, like, comment. It's helping me also. Let's go for this episode 8, the last one. Oh, I thought about it. Someone is gonna die? Why do I think that? That someone, like a secondary character, can die? Not Yaskia, please. He's gonna meet Ciri. That's gonna be fun. Let's go!
If there are dirty knucklebones in your pockets, God's help you.
It's a dream. A new one.
It's a dream.
It's gonna
The farm's going on.
watch your mouth, princess.
It's like, you know what happened to Yennefer, to Francesca. You have that big hallucination. Their dreams, it was their biggest dream and their biggest fear. A demon used that to kill a witcher.
You betray us.
Geralt, please.
She was that close.
Explain. The gaping wound in your heart. The thing that makes you feel hopeless and she plunges her finger into it. That makes it hurt so badly you do anything. Except I couldn't do it. I know this means
At the end, but because Ciri discovered it, again, what would you have done?
I never thought that I'd feel that spark, that life again, that Ciri, she radiates it. I don't know what else I want from Ciri. But we have to protect her.
You want to protect Ciri.
I have to protect her.
Let her help. Your biggest dream is to be back with all of your loved ones alive. But your biggest fear is what? To kill. To kill them all.
What's going on? Geralt?
It was not a dream.
Woman in a black robe has got us there.
You really killed them?
Where is she now? I saw her leaving Everard's room.
How did you escape?
I screamed.
And that didn't cause any damage.
You know.
Tell me what you want.
It's not her.
I can't believe Ciri did this. She killed our brothers in our home. That thing ain't Ciri.
Yes.
Get anyone who's left. We don't know what she can do.
You're not gonna kill her, please.
When you took Eskel down, it broke me. But you were right. It had to be done. Same as now. Ciri
No.
has to be eliminated.
No, she represents so much. You don't know how much.
They killed to save lives. I said that.
Mhm.
You did. It feels like bullshit now. She can't survive this.
She can.
She needs you. Prince Rosing has to leave Ciri's body.
How?
Once the demon's out, when she's back in her corporeal form, we'll travel. Will it work? I don't know.
Yeah. Yes, yeah.
Tell them.
Come on, wake up. I need you.
I need you to be safe, Eskia.
Yeah, last time I woke up next to you, you grabbed me by the balls and then blew up the building, so...
Come on.
Dijkstra said he didn't need me anymore. He had other ways of getting what he wanted.
Saying that you were a spy?
What did Argo have to do with that? Why would we take a target us? Because we've befriended God.
Because we're elves.
Boss.
They hate us.
I'm sorry. I never realized. I've always thought.
You saved your own life. This is not your doing.
What do we do?
Honestly, it's a parasite. We need to remove her without killing the host.
Can you do that? You have the knowledge for that. Command Yennefer. Even without power, your power.
Which you don't.
If I had my fucking magic, instead I'll have to make do with whatever I find in a witch laboratory.
Oh, yay, a little stone you saved us all.
Active Jesper neutralizes the effects of poisons in the bloodstream.
Then again, if it was up to me, everything would be about me.
Just here.
Yeah.
I've also into this mess and I'll do everything I can to get her out of it.
Tell me what to do.
Fine, Geralt. The habits turn wrongs into rights. He'll understand.
Right, hang on. What do you need to do?
What witches do best. Make a potion.
I'm so glad, Yennefer.
It's even better than our own.
Are you sure you're feeling all right?
Your biggest dream.
Better than ever.
As a member of the royal family, is it too much to expect that you
It's a
exercise
modicum of respect.
You miss your life, your family so much.
You think me too stern, child?
I said you want to protect me.
She's putting you in jail, you know, into that dream. So she can use your body for doing all of that. Your body, but also your strength, your magic, maybe. You're so happy, Ciri.
Some of them are gone. Oh, wait. is affecting this frontier?
Francesca and Philippine for amongst them. Our scouts said they were riding north.
I'm down the ladder of their giant.
Yes, it's not to desert.
We'll take this point to Adelia.
Why is she so important to you, Frontier?
She's my friend.
No, he's the key to your plan. To showing Amir that you are a valuable leader.
And she is gone.
According to your plan, the baby gave them hope, and it's mysteriously murdered. Now, they're off to raise the kingdoms of our enemies.
What are you saying?
That it's good for you.
I'm saying it worked.
He's gonna say that you did. Even if you did not.
I want Ciri back. Name your price.
It's a matter of cost.
Release her, and you can have me.
That's not what she wants.
It's too late for that.
Yennefer told me to.
Yeah.
You busy?
Talk now. Non, 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 il y a ce qu'il y a. Terre vite. It's like the monolith. The monolith inside. That you are breaking. Yes, Kia is the only one who can't save himself right there. Yes, Kia, yes, Kia. And that's it, a new creature. New creatures?
We have to contain her. Tell me what she is to you.
She is the future.
To all of them, the demons, the monsters.
Sarah, I need you to hear me.
Please. No. Christina, can you do it just by yourself? Casimir.
You'll never get Ciri. Proving you don't need him anymore.
No, no, no. No, 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 no.
Strong, Ciri.
My bloodline, Malzak. Will you tell me more about it?
It's a demon talking to you, so maybe that demon knows.
The women who came before you, they're quite extraordinary. Ciri, you can fight this.
You trust him.
Not give in. You know who you really are.
Your father is so disappointed he doesn't get a dance.
It can't, Ciri, please. That baby? All of these babies?
We know about people we can find. There are only helps left in Dania.
You're marking all of their babies. It's our fault, Francesca.
What has been, may not always be.
You killed all of the babies of Redania?
They say that he again. They say.
What are you? Geralt.
You feel everything.
Don't you?
Let's finish this, Geralt.
Come on, come on.
Our hate is the pain she needs to grow stronger. Let's not give her what she wants. If you can hear me, if you can hear us, come home.